Hey there, I'm Jorma, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game-changing product that has become an essential part of my daily routine. Not only have I personally grown to appreciate its functionality, but my neighbors have also frequently praised its effectiveness. We're diving into the latest innovation from Ecovacs, the Winbot W2 Omni, a window cleaning robot with a portable base station. In this video, we'll delve into the features of the Winbot W2 Omni and explore how it revolutionizes the task of window cleaning. Let's start by examining what's included in the package. Inside, we find a quick start guide and user manuals for easy setup, along with the base station housing the Winbot W2 Omni. The first step is to download the Ecovacs Home app, where you'll add and pair the Winbot W2 Omni by scanning the QR code. We'll take a closer look at the app shortly. On the back side of the base station, there's a compartment housing 2 microfiber cleaning cloths, along with a carabiner for securing and the power cable. Before starting the cleaning process, it's essential to fully charge the station once. Next, attach the microfiber cleaning cloth to the underside of the robot and fill the tank with the provided cleaning solution. Now, you're all set to get started. The base station weighs approximately 12.35 pounds, and is easily transportable thanks to the carrying handle. What's practical about it is that the system doesn't need to be plugged into a power outlet for use, as it comes with an integrated battery. You can place the base station in front of the window, then remove the Winbot W2 Omni from it. Once placed on the window, simply press and hold the start button briefly. The robot then securely attaches itself to the glass and begins the cleaning process. With an anti-slip drive system, this suction power ensures not only smooth movements, but also effective window cleaning. Equipped with triple spray nozzles on both sides of the robot, the cleaning solution is evenly distributed across the window, while the microfiber cloth ensures a thorough wipe, leaving the surface sparkling clean. The robot navigates along each strip of the window, flawlessly detecting the window frame. Even when cleaning frameless glass elements, the edges are recognized with precision and accuracy. There are several cleaning modes to choose from, all easily accessible through the app. Let me give you a quick overview of the different modes available. First, there's the Quick Clean mode, perfect for a swift touch-up when you're short on time. Second, the Comprehensive Clean mode provides thorough coverage, including edge cleaning for a comprehensive clean. Third, the Deep Clean mode goes beyond regular or routine cleaning, ensuring an intensive cleaning process. Fourth, the Edge Clean mode targets edge cleaning specifically, ensuring flawless cleanliness from one corner to another. Fifth, the Spot Clean mode offers precise and targeted removal of stains. And sixth, the Fine Clean mode, an optimized cleaning routine that leaves no area untouched. By the way, there's also a remote control available, allowing you to manually control the robot. The controls are intuitive and straightforward, and you can even activate the triple spray nozzles to distribute the cleaning solution onto the window surface. I'm really impressed with the cleaning performance overall. Let me show you a before and after comparison. The window was quite dirty beforehand, but now it's shining again. There are no streaks or other residues left behind. However, for very dirty windows, it's important to ensure you clean the microfiber cloth before it gets too soiled. During operation, the noise level reaches around 63 decibels, which is audible, but definitely not bothersome. With a full tank of cleaning solution, you can cover an area of approximately 322.92 square feet. By the way, the minimum window size requirement is 1 by 1.31 feet. The base station also features a button for retracting the cable after cleaning, ensuring tidy storage. Additionally, there's another button allowing you to change the cleaning mode directly without needing to use the app. It's all about convenience and ease of use. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Omni. Its usage is straightforward and intuitive. I appreciate the convenience of being able to clean all windows without the need for a power outlet. The cleaning results were impressive, and I particularly like the practicality of the various cleaning modes. I hope I've provided you with a comprehensive overview. Personally, it has greatly enhanced my everyday cleaning routine, and now I'm off to tackle the remaining windows with ease. Now we've reached the end of the video, and I'm definitely pleased. You'll find all the information in the video description, of course. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate every like or new subscriber to the channel. I wish you all a wonderful day. Until the next video. Goodbye.